Hello everyone, my name is Mark. Today I'm going to show you how to open terminal or command environment from Mac laptop and how to use some command tools on terminal. We have two options to open terminal from your Mac laptop. The first option is from the dock. The dock can be found on the bottom uh, of the screen, listed all those applications that is currently working. On the right bottom of the screen, I can see terminal and just click on it. And I see a white box with some features. Uh, I can see some three icons on the left corners of this box. The first icon is just inside a X and with a red circle. This is used to close or exit the terminal. And the second circle is inside a minus, used to just down or minimize the terminal. And the next is a green circle, and just define it maximize or enlarge. I can click on it and I can see uh, uh, this box. And if I just minimize, if I want to minimize a terminal box, I can just do like that. And if I want to down on the dock and instead to do some jobs on my screen, I can click on the yellow circle. And the second option to open terminal is from the spotlight. The spotlight can be found on the top right corners of the screen. There are some small icons and the search icon, and click on it. And I can get now a search bars. So just write down terminal from my keyboard. And I can click on terminal here, or I have another option, just enter from my keyboard. The same features I can see that I found from the dock. Here now I'm going to show you how to use some command tools from our terminal box. The first command tool here, you guys, I'm going to show you is help. If you need some help is how to use command tools on a terminal or shell on a Mac, you can just type from your keyboard help. Just type help from your keyboard and enter. Here you can see a lot of information, and if you read this one, you will have some information how to use uh, some command tools on the terminal. And the second command tool is ls command tools. And just this ls command tools is used to list the contents of directory folder. And just type ls, enter. And the other command tool is a grep tool, a grep command tool. A grep is used to perform text searches. If you guys want to search text search, you can just write a grep and click enter. And the other command tool is a cd command, which is used to change directories. And just type cd, enter. And the other command tool is a pwd. A pwd command tool is used to display the names of the current working directories. And just write pwd from your keyboard and just enter. And the other command tool is chmod. Chmod can be change permissions of files. Chmod and click on enter. You can see a lot of information is here from chmod. And the other command tool is a sudo command tool. A sudo command tool can be change file ownership, and just you can type on sudo and click on it. And the last command tool here, you guys, I'm going to show you is a dd command tool. A dd command tool is used to perform and block files and copy and convert ptune formats. Type dd and enter. Here the format is changes to down. For example, if I just click cd, it's right down on the down, it's already changed. If you guys want to exit this, you can also write down exit and enter. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for your watching. Thank you.